We're in Paw Paw, Michigan for a car show at 9/11.
He gave me the keys and said, have at it. So this is a pretty good picture.
Camaro, a GTX. Rambler 990 with a 287 V8. There's a Mustang, it's a very yellow Mustang. Somebody matches that car pretty well. Cougar, Mercury Cougar.
I didn't know if you were coming down.
Yeah, the old Cougar by the Cougar. Is that Mustang automatic? Oh, that's nice. Real nice. Ooh. Chrysler, or is it just the Imperial? Wow. I don't see many of those.
No. Like, yeah, these bathrooms smell good.
1952 truck. Wow. Trans Am. GTO. Oh, what a beautiful Corvair. Nice Duster.
Justin's girlfriend was using them.
Valiant. This has been the day for nice looking pickup trucks. We got a gremlin here. Excuse me. 1973 VW pop-up camper. They should feed their dogs more around here. '67 all original New Yorker. Yes.
Hang on, Dad. I'm not going far.
Super Deluxe Ford. We have a Stingray. And here we have Ford Falcon with a lot of faded pictures. A little bit shortened Ford Falcon, but pretty cool. Nice Fairlane wagon, 1964. A Charger. That's what a Charger should look like. Oh, Barracuda. Yes, indeed. And another Charger.
How are you? See you up on porch. Once a while.
Nice orange Z28 Camaro. Another red Stingray. C10. And a Valiant.
Like the rims?
Coronet Super B, 1969. Mustang. Awesome. 1962 Falcon wagon. Now, where'd you get your 62 Falcon wagon?
Yes. I've only had her 3 weeks. I named her Stella, the streetcar I desired. I bought it from a husband and wife. The wife, unfortunately, never learned how to drive a choke start 3 on a tree. And then when I went to look at it and jumped right in and drove away, that kind of sealed the deal for me.
Well, good for you. You can drive 3 on a tree. I admire you for that. Very good. Like you. And here we have a Crosley.